Hi guys, we've been getting a lot of comments about how the ST-100 is actively cooled, so I just wanted to create a quick and dirty demonstration to help address those concerns. At the moment, I have 3 ST-100s running. I've got one in front of me in an octabox, one beside me with the Fresnel, and also another one on my other side, just pointing the fan towards the microphone. So I wanted to show you what the sound levels are like with the lights turned on versus turned off. So here's with the lights turned on. And here's with them turned off. Turned on again. Pretty quiet, right?